So if you take a deep, if you're perfectly neutrally buoyant, which is what happens when you scuba dive, if you breathe in, everybody breathe in with me, your lungs would fill up with air and you'd rise up a little bit. And then you'd exhale, everybody exhale, and your lungs would deflate a little bit and you'd sink a little bit. Neutrally buoyant means that you're right there in the middle of that water. That's the closest thing that they can do to replicate weightlessness in space. You can see this backpack that he's wearing. That's a primary life support system, or PLIS. And while it's not right now filled with the oxygen and carbon dioxide removal and everything that it would be, they have to wear all that so that they can mimic what it would actually be like in space. And I think it's actually filled with stuff for them to be able to dive in the water. So you can see the 2 astronauts in the water with the at least 2 or 3 scuba divers there for them. Look at how much there is in the pool. A friend of mine works here. I think she's in the water right here, and she's always telling me about somebody bonking their head, especially the divers, of just how much training goes into not only the astronauts, but also the divers in there. Once the shuttle program retires, they're going to have less astronauts training in here. But they always will have some training program, especially for as long as we have the International Space Station. You can see all the flags of the countries involved with the International Space Station. And these yellow things, who can guess what these big yellow things are on?